what are the guidelines, how we can design the autopsy unit. So the autopsy unit, the autopsy suite must have the following facilities. Separate route, when you will visit the area, you can see that there is a common entrance for both the corpses, for the doctor, for the lawyer, for the police officers, where the bodies are coming, relatives are also with them. Bodies got registered in a journal register, and then the bodies are getting stored somewhere. So they say that no, there should be separate route for receiving the bodies, separate route for entering the other people. There should be, but normally there is a similar place from where the bodies and all other people are entering inside the department. Then the most important thing is there is a segregated storage area for the decomposed, putrefied as infectious body. As you all know, because of the so many hazards of autopsy, which we have discussed yesterday, we should have all separate areas for the storage as well as for the conduction of the autopsies. Then a specific autopsy lab. Basically, you see, autopsy suite, when we see that, it is basically area which has many things. It's starting from the reception area to the storage area to the mortuary, to the record rooms, to the surgeon's office, viewing gallery, and then the main area, main autopsy lab, where the tables are there and we are conducting that autopsies. So that is obviously very much important. Then, as I told you, that should be another area where after autopsy, the receiving of the body and the documents should be there. Autopsy observing area, as it is known as viewing gallery, it is present in the King Edward Medical College, but it is not present in Allama Iqbal Medical College. When we visit there, we see that students are basically standing beside the beds, and that is not ethical, that is not safe for them. There should be a separate viewing gallery where the students are basically placing at a distance from the body, but it is not present in Allama Iqbal. Infrastructure and other logistics as per workload, and it is basically written, for example, if an area like in King Edward, they are receiving more turnout of the medical legal autopsies. Autopsy index is high over there. We should have more stored area as compared to an area where they are receiving less bodies. So it is a general rule that if we are receiving 100 bodies per year for the medical legal autopsy, there should be a place for 8 to 10 that at a time. Okay? And if 1000, then 80 to 100. That is a general rule.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Kokar, Lectures on Forensic Medicine.